Hi guys, this is Pasha from DjembeTime. I want to give you another update on the DjembeTime Beta. I've been very determined to bring the application to the App Store, so I added a bunch of last features and bug fixes. So hopefully this build number 17 will be the last build before the actual release, if we don't discover any major bugs. Um, so I ask you to please go and give it a try. Check that there's no smoke coming out of your iPhone or iPad when you run it, and you hear the music playing, and generally it works for you. So let me give you a quick demo of the latest features. First thing, when you create a new document, it will ask you for the readme name. So let's say I want to create a jar read notation. And this readme name will be given to the file and also appear here in the title. Second, you might notice this info button that brings the readme info page. And here I can type the read name or several names if they apply. I can also add the region and ethnic, and below there is a notes field where I can add anything else that I feel necessary, and click done. So this readme info will be saved along with your file. Next thing, if you notice on the keyboard, the tablet button has moved to the left side. So you can click it to toggle the tablet. And on the right, you have the button that looks just like the backspace key on the standard keyboard. So let's say if you type some notes, you can use the backspace key to delete them. There is only one distinction between the um, computer backspace key and this one, is that if you position the cursor on the last node, you're not able to delete it, and this is because the cursor in DjembeTime is positioned on the node and not between the nodes or after the node. So to delete it, you just need to click space here. So let me add some notation and try to play it. Okay, choose a swing for it. Okay, so next thing, you may have noticed each bar has a number here, and this bar numbering can be toggled in settings, and I still think what's the good default for it, but bar numbers might be useful when you are editing longer parts. Another useful feature is copy and paste. So for example, you can select the number of nodes and click copy, and then select the same number of nodes in a different place and click paste. So those nodes will be pasted. Also, copy and paste works for bars. So you can select one bar and click copy, and you can paste it to another bar, or you can actually copy any number of bars and paste them to the region of the same length. Or there is one more trick. You can select, for example, one bar, copy it, but then paste over two bars, and when you paste it, those bars will be multiplied, so they will actually repeat within the destination range. So let me copy that intro again. That sounds good. So another feature is part reordering. Let's add a shaker part. So if you go to the part menu, you can choose reorder, and you will see the handles appear on the right. So you can actually grab a part and move it to another place. Next thing, when you play the rhythm on the bottom here, you will see the playback time. Might be useful for something. And also your playback settings, such as the volume, balance, and etc. and tempo will be remembered. So if you exit and reopen, so everything will be just as you left it. And last thing, if you go here and there is a new item called About DjembeTime, you can see the build version, and this link might be useful if you want to provide feedback. So it goes directly to the Kenny website where you can leave your comments or suggestions or report issues. This will really help prioritize the features and deliver what you want as opposed to what other people want. Thank you, and I ask you to please give the latest build a try and see you soon on the App Store.